jackpots this time.
What's going on, everybody? Today I'm about to do a review, the first one, and I had to do the review on PBTheGoat because he helped out with getting me a lot of followers. Then he hooked me up with the goat drip, the whole shebang. Got the peppermint shampoo and both oils. So I'm about to do the review right here. I haven't even used none of it yet. I did smell it. It all smells good. About to get to it right now.
Well, boys, we hit the jackpot this time. Well, boys, we hit the jackpot this time.
I tell you right now, this stuff smells really good. Peppermint drip shampoo. Smells like cake or something.
Well, boys, we hit the jackpot this time. Well, boys, we hit the jackpot this time.
I finally found out what this smelled like. And I done got it in there. Gives me the smell of Fruity Pebbles. I don't know if y'all know what Fruity Pebbles smell like, but not this. This smells just like peppermint. Some good stuff. But this together, Fruity Pebbles, I'm telling you. But it's good stuff. Good stuff. Make sure y'all hit him up. PB_TheGoat_merch. Check him out. He's real cool. cool dude. Just sent me all this stuff. I appreciate it. And make sure y'all share, like, comment, and show love.
Well, boys,
always.
we hit the jackpot this time.
Make sure y'all share, like, comment, and follow. Always follow, and we're just gonna continue to spread love. No negativity this way. It's all love this way. I appreciate y'all, and there will be more reviews coming with more products. I got products from several people, and I'm gonna give y'all the good and the bad. But I appreciate y'all, and just stay tuned. There's more questions that will be answered, and just more products that's going to be coming. And like I say, just continue to like, share, comment, and follow, and always show love. Thank you.